I've been really craving community lately. Since I've been solo van traveling for about 3 months now, I miss my friends from my past work. So we're meeting them in this video. 快到了, we're almost there. This is what I love about this campsite. They just have deer walking around. Do you see it? And don't get me wrong, I love my current lifestyle. I love traveling, have a chat, meet new people, and learn about their experience and why they're traveling. It's always nice to get those. But then I never see them again, and it's just part of that lifestyle. I've been really missing my familiar faces from my past coworkers, or also known as current friends. Hello, I've arrived. So today we are in Coyote Lake. I'm here with my dog LiangLiang. We actually have a group camping today. I'm going to soon be joining a lot of my friends. We're going to do a camping dinner. We just settled in here. I'm going to take LiangLiang on his doggy cart, going to trailer LiangLiang and all of the food over there to join my friends at their campsite. Let's go. Seems like the story goes back to me and my friend Brian was planning this group camping trip to somewhere close to San Francisco Bay Area, since that's where everyone lives. So we chose a campground in Coyote Lake. This campground is usually easier to book and it's close enough as in Gilroy. Look at your This time we're doing a group camping. 20 or so of us showed up. We prepped burgers, Chinese hot pot, chatted, drank, catched up. Everyone brought their favorite choice of meat, vegetable, and milk tea. I feel so lucky to come to know this group of people. I guess this is a feeling of having a community, a sense of belonging. After dinner, we took a group walk by the lake, watched a beautiful sunset, and took tons of pictures. In the evening, we came back to camp and make some s'mores with campfires. Everyone wrapped around the campfire and we played Truth or Dare. That was so much fun. It was something so healing and warming around this group. I love them. Thank you, Paul. I don't know how to dance.
It's really similar to tennis.
We wrapped up the evening by dancing to Gangnam Style. I lost a deer and I'm supposed to dance, but I don't know how to dance to the song. So luckily my friend Sam lead the way and we did a group dance.
You can just do some random stuff.
Oh my god. Hold ours. Look. Oh my god. So And Ariel doing pretty good. Sounding pretty good. I got all the pictures.
Oh, Sammy is the one.
Guys!
Yeah, I'm done.
Hello. Good morning. We have full electricity hookup today. 用电自由的感觉很好。The next day was a Sunday. We took a group hike by the lake. It's also my first time trying out the Ibiyaya backpack. I've been in the market searching for a backpack where I can carry my dogs around because my dogs are all senior dogs. The youngest one is already 11 years old. I feel worried and scared to leave them in the van, but I really want to go walking around and hike to various places. So this is a perfect solution. This backpack is for medium to large dogs. My dogs are all around 20 to 30 pounds, so they fit in here very well. I took my dogs to this hike by the lake, so he gets to enjoy it as well with me. Hey y'all, I just made myself some avocado toast and I moved the car to a better view. We can see the lake right outside of my van. It's 12 now. My friends have already gone home. I'm too hungry to drive. I'm gonna eat my avocado toast. And I didn't have coffee, so I'm gonna drink the bottled coffee to make it easier. I have ice in the van. So I'm just gonna enjoy this nice view and have my breakfast and then go home. Overall, I really enjoyed the camping this time, and it's very nice to hang out with my friends again. Alright, we're going to do a wrap for today's video. I had a successful hiking experience using Ibiyaya's backpack with my dog LiangLiang. This is actually LiangLiang's first time trying to be in a backpack, and it's also my first time. The result turned out better than I expected. I've been looking for a suitable doggy backpack for hiking for a long time. I think I finally found it. LiangLiang is actually not scared, not nervous, and he's pretty comfortable in the backpack. And I did a lot of research. I tried various backpacks in various stores. Ibiyaya is the one that I think is just the right size and the right support for my back, my spine, my lower back, to walk with my dog who is 20 pounds. Backpack is comfortable and LiangLiang likes it. I will carry him for future hikes and I never have to worry about leaving him in the van again. Thank you to Ibiyaya for gifting this backpack to me. If you also like this backpack, their link is in the description box. Ibiyaya also have a lot of other products I'm interested in, such as a doggy stroller, doggy cart with a roller for traveling purpose. I think it just makes the whole traveling with your dog so much more comfortable and worry-free, which is super important for me. I put my dog's comfort as #1 priority. So knowing that I have something that I can take my dog with me at all times to make sure he's secure, he's happy, and he gets to explore nature with me is super valuable. Okay, this video I know is a little different from my usual ones. I have to do some voiceover because at the time when I'm hanging out with so many friends, I don't want to disturb the mood by putting on microphone and all the equipments. Also, this trip I broke multiple equipments. I think my microphone is broken, my camera mount is also broken. So I had to figure out how to deal with that going forward. But yeah, that's for future worries. For now, we're going to start heading home. It's getting pretty hot. Like always, thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Share with a friend, and I will see you until next time. Take care. Bye bye. Since we've been together, oh God, I miss you bad. And I read your letters. Great. And look
your